when you're talking with your fans, what do y'all usually chat about?
What do you chat about? About how big is my
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's
All
hot,
right,
it's hot.
hey, we're here at X3. I'm here with.
Sara Diamante from Italy.
She said Italian quality guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
Oh, that's true, of course.
You ever try Italian girl?
Oh, have I ever tried? I don't know if I have. Well, not like from Italy. I've had Italian American girls, but not the Italian. I
Yeah,
don't think I have.
exactly.
Wow, and I
They're-
just went to Rome a couple months ago. I was
Ah.
just eating food and having fun, but I didn't eat the true thing I should have been eating.
Mm.
Wow.
They are super hot, Italian girl.
I can see. Yeah, I can see that. What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Huh?
What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
I sleep, I
Oh, you're sleeping. I can see that.
both of them.
I can see you're probably very good at that.
Yeah.
Very good. And when you're talking with your fans, what do y'all usually chat about?
What do you chat about? About how big is my house?
Oh, is it big? Wow. Okay, it is quite nice. It is quite nice down there.
Yeah.
All right, so we're brought to you by Super Creators. That's the reason why we're here today. So it'll save you hours throughout your day, and hours of creators like
Thank
yourself.
you so much.
Where do you want people to find you?
How?
Where do you want people to find you?
Sara Diamante Tour on Instagram, Sara Diamante X66 on X.
And I'm Javi Mac. Thanks for watching.
And Pornhub, Sara Diamante.
Ave!